So right now I'm going to show you the running program of the code that I showed in my previous video. Alright, so we have the screen that appears here, and the game doesn't start directly. We have an instruction that says press start button, and we added a panel right here that contains the start button. So when I press the start button, the game is supposed to start running, and it changes to quit after pressing the start button. So now we have the UFO still moving and the soldier that is falling, and when we shoot, we have this effect of the missile that explodes and disappear after it reaches the the destination. And here is what happened when we try to shoot the UFO. Stay with me while I keep missing the yeah, the UFO changed red and dust forward. You can press the quit button now to quit the game. Whew.